Well, hello there, YouTube. I just flew my drone. This is another brand new neighborhood going in. I just live that way, about 3 miles. But I flew out that way, and I hit the highway. So I turned and went that way, and I was way out there, like, not quite a mile, but I saw that mound. I figured, oh crap, I thought that was the mound there, but I was way out by there behind the mound, so I never lost signal at all with the DJI Phantom 4. But I was behind that big old dirt mountain and everything, and I never lost a signal. I thought I was bringing it home. I couldn't find it, so I pressed return to home, and there it comes from over there. I thought it was coming from over there, but I flew that way, and it came over top that dirt mound. But anyway, out for a ride. It's not bad. I went out today to do some pool work in my backyard, and the weather wasn't bad at all. What's the temp? Oh, it's 91, but I'm in the shade. I didn't think it got that warm. It was 85 when I went out earlier. Anyway, just out for a ride. I'm off. What's tomorrow? Friday? We get four extra summer days off this year, so I'm taking one of them tomorrow. So I could probably take all 4 in a row, but my wife asked me, are you going to take off and go on another solo trip by yourself? And I said, no, probably not. That costs too much. I think I spent over $1,000 in 5 days. I rode 2,400 miles in 5 days, and I think I stayed in hotels, and I didn't eat a whole lot, but I guess I did, but not as much as you might think. But the hotels and the gas cost a lot. I couldn't find any. By the time I was done riding 550 miles a day, I wanted a nice shower and a nice place to stay, so I didn't stay at the flea bags, and it was late anyway. So anyway, out for a spin. I might go tomorrow and take a ride and look at some more spiders just for the heck of it. Anyway, bye.